email marketing is still the most profitable source on earth, but you have to monetize. Without monetizing those subscribers into dollars, it's really just worth nothing, okay? So in this video, we will talk about how to build your list, how to monetize within the first 7 days, because that is very, very important. And third, how to avoid your emails going to spam, because that is the #1 thing that happens when you are new to email marketing. Guys, also comment below and let me know what is your #1 burning question when it comes to email marketing. I want to make sure that this video addresses that, and if it doesn't, what else is it that you guys want to know? So make sure you comment below. Okay, first of all, you need to collect those emails. So how are you going to get people to subscribe to your email list? First of all, the easiest way to do that is a simple pop-up. Now, you would have heard about these pop-ups so many times, but the easiest way to build a pop-up is either through your email provider, such as ActiveCampaign. You've got a link below, that's what we use. Or you can do that from your website, for example, if you're using WordPress, or you can use that from your website if you have a Shopify store, for example, link below too. You can easily do that. Now, this pop-up, in order for you to collect subscribers, it needs to have something of value, because you are exchanging that value for an email address, okay? So if you are a Shopify store, you, for example, want to offer free shipping for an email address. If you have a service, you want to offer some sort of a guide that it's going to add value, okay? So that pop-up needs to have something that your ideal customer really, really wants. Now, once you're going to have that pop-up ready, you will have to drive traffic. You will actually have to get visitors to see that pop-up, right? Because otherwise nobody's going to do that. So first of all, you can either talk about it on social media and always put the link to your website or to your store for your ideal customers to see the pop-up. Or second thing, which I actually think is so much more effective, is to approach somebody who already have your ideal subscribers on their list. So for example, you are selling candles, then find companies that already have people who love homeware on their mailing list, and you're going to approach them for a collaboration, and you're going to say, hey, this is what I've got, this is what I'm selling. I think your customers will really, really love that. Can you feature me in your email? Now, 8 out of 10 times, if there is a good match, they're going to do it completely free, and you're going to collect all of those subscribers for free. Yeah, cha-ching, amazing. Now, 2 out of 10 times, they're going to ask you to actually pay to be featured in that email. If they're going to ask you to pay, then I would negotiate with them, and I would ask, hey, like, how many email addresses can we expect? How many people have you got on your mailing list? And all of that, so that you don't pay crazy amounts of money and then not actually get any subscribers, okay? Now, in any case though, do not buy those emails from them. That's not going to work for many reasons, and we'll talk about it in secret #3. But it's also not going to work because those people on their email address on their email list do not know you. They only know that company. They don't know you. So let's say it's company Pretty, and that Pretty company doesn't know your company, let's say called Hazy, right? So if they've been getting emails from company called Pretty and suddenly they start getting emails from company Hazy, they're going to mark that as spam, and it's just not going to work. All right, now that you know how to get those emails to build your email list, we need to monetize. And guys, I want you to start monetizing within the first 7 days. You got to cook the iron while it's hot. That's when your subscribers are the hottest. That's when they are most open to actually buying from you. That's when the open rates, the click-through rates are the highest. So you got to use the time, okay? And you're going to do that through a simple welcome sequence, not a welcome email, but a welcome sequence. Because a welcome email, it's like, meh, that's just one thing. But actually, welcome sequence is proven to work 320% better, and it's also proven to convert at as much as 25%. So essentially, 1 out of 4 subscribers will be buying something from you in the first 7 days. Now, the way how you're going to do that, don't get all scared like, oh my God, how am I going to build a whole sequence? Do I have to be like techie or email every single day or at night? No, you're just going to automatically build an automated sequence. Again, you're going to build it in your email provider such as ActiveCampaign, the link below, or whatever you're using, MailChimp, or even the native Shopify email tool has that as well. So do not panic, okay? So this email sequence, this welcome sequence will be firing as soon as somebody has subscribed onto your list. You're going to be sending them whatever that freebie is. And then you'll be taking them on a journey to essentially get to know you, get to like you, get to trust you, and buy from you. So first day, you're gonna say something like, hey, you're one of us, that's amazing, thank you for joining us. Day number 2, you're gonna be like, hey, this is why we started this business, you're gonna talk about your why. Day number 3, you're gonna talk about like, hey, you might like this product. Day number 4, you're gonna talk about like, hey, this is what other people are saying about us. and then you're just gonna start ramping up the urgency scarcity. Day number 7, email number 7 is literally just a courtesy email. Like, hey, this offer is about to expire. It's incredible, but it's up to you. Like, you either in or out. It's finishing tonight. And that's gonna be automated on autopilot. Guys, we had customers who literally sent this welcome sequence by accident to subscribers who were already on their list for a long time, and they made like thousands and thousands of dollars by accident. I think it was like $8,000 by accident, right? So it's really worthwhile doing. If you want all of the step-by-step templates and how to do this word by word, we've got a video about that, and there is also a template you can download, so do that, okay? But you must have a 7-day welcome sequence because you must monetize within 7 days. That's very, very important. Okay, and point number 3, crucially important, is to increase your open and click-through rates, and you're gonna do that by warming up your email server, your email address, because specifically when you're new to email marketing, what happens is that often business owners are experiencing very low open rates, very low click-through rates, and they falsely believe it's because it's the subject lines or it's about what they've got in the email or about that they're being too salesy. But guys, that is actually not true. The number one reason for that is because providers such as Google, Hotmail, or Yahoo do not believe that you are the real deal. And believe it or not, you have to actually warm up the server, you have to warm up the email, you have to train these email providers that you are the real deal. So the easiest way to do this is to sign up for a service, such as Warmy. There is a free trial, 7-day free trial link below. And that service will automatically send emails on your behalf and train these different email providers that you are the real deal. So what's gonna happen is that they're gonna send it to a bunch of email addresses that they control from like Google, Gmail, or Yahoo, or Hotmail. And then whenever the email lands in spam, they're gonna just manually move it to important and respond to it. Now this happens automatically on your behalf, so you don't have to worry about it. You can also do this manually, but it's a ton of work because roughly it takes about 30 to 90 days to really warm up your email address. It really pays out to do this. We've had our email list for a long time, and just purely because we were moving from one email provider to another, we didn't realize we had to warm up our email address again. Guys, it took us like 6 months before we realized like, oh my God, all of our emails are landing in spam purely because we didn't have them warm up. So if you want to be getting that $1 per one email every single month, which means, by the way, all you need is like, to start with, is like 1,000 subscribers to be getting emails from you. You're going to be getting $1,000 every single month. If you want to do that, you need to make sure that you've got the right pop-up, that you monetize ASAP, and then you make sure that your emails never land in spam. So guys, comment below. Do let me know what is still your number one burning question about email marketing, because I'm sure you still have some. So comment below. I'll see you in the comments. Let me know so that we can make that next video about that. I'm gonna make sure that every single comment is responding to. And with that said, I'll see you in the next video.